Okay, William. Do you keep increasing max CPC? I think you're trying to say until you get impressions. Yes, that's right. Or do you use the keyword planner and set to high range bid first? You can have a look at the highest bid and set it up because if Google says the highest bid range is $52 and you put 52, you probably will not get charged 52. You'll only get charged 1p more than the second best competitor or the ad rank advertiser. So you can either go slowly and keep increasing, or you take that big jump and say, okay, I want instant traffic. I don't care. I'm not going to wait and figure out what's the sweet spot for the CPC. So you can do it both ways.